Okay, hi guys. Today we're going to playing Roblox, but we're going to do something special. So we're going to play Speed Farm Simulator, and I hope you all enjoy. But meanwhile, when I join, please don't hate on my English, but I suck at English. So don't hate, please. Okay, okay. But if you enjoyed this video, and if you think I'm a good content creator, so please then it's okay, you can like and subscribe though. If you don't enjoy this, then you don't have to like and subscribe. And I'm an early mid game in Beast Simulator, so I'm not that good. So you guys gotta be ready though, cause I'm not that good. Okay, so I got a ticket when I joined. That's lucky. Okay, let's go see. Sorry for bad graphics. I lag too much, by the way. Okay, so let's see my quest. Okay, I need strawberry tokens. Wait, let me ask. It's way too loud. I'm sorry, guys. It's way too loud. Sorry, guys, for that. Okay, so let's do the. Oh, this is not good. I mean, it's in a bad time. I want to get strawberries though. Yeah. Guys, comment down below what should I get next, because I don't know what to get. Right now, I don't know what I'm saving up to, so I need you guys to say in the comments what should I save up for. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have after I've done this browse. Just correct. Right now I'm trying to get the next Gary comments. Wait, I'm gonna go see what's the name of it. I'm not that good at English, so I don't know, and I don't know the name. So yeah, I don't think it's my English. I think it's just me. No. Okay. No strawberries. My place is at a bad time though. That's bad. Okay guys, I have the fire mask, and let me show you what I have more. Oh, okay, I gotta take this real quick. I need a blessing though, but because I don't have a rainbow. Oh, what his name is. So let me also go and see what do we have. Wait, so I got the fire mask. And I got the Riley guard, and I got buckle guard. I think it's buckle. Well, I'm just guessing, but let me just take a sparkle. I heard that sparkles are good for beginners, but I just take them because why not? Oh wait! I need strawberries. Okay, now I'm actually gonna go now. I can't get distracted. You guys will kinda get mad if I just get distracted too much. Then I got the buckle guard. I didn't know I was right though. Don't worry, I'm gonna do this. You guys may see better. Oh no, I can't have that like that. I love too much. And then I have like everything here. I have everything at this side. I got everything. Wait, yeah, I got everything. So right now, should I save up for, let me show you guys. Should I save up for this one first, or this Crimson Guard, or Cobalt Guard, or Honey Mask? So comment down below what should I save for, and how should I get the stuff for it, cause Look, I'm super poor though. Wait. So I needed. Wait. So let me see. I need glue. But look, I can't even get glue. Look how little. And then I need a little of those, but I'm way too poor with royal jellies. Comment down below if I should buy royal jellies. Yeah, I'm kind of focused right now, y'all. I'm sorry if I don't talk. Yes. No. Oh, I missed it. No. Okay, so look. Or should I save up for? Like, I don't know what to save up for, cause I think I will do bad decisions, so I will let you guys know. Or should I get this right now? I should probably get this only if you guys say I should get that. But guys, how do you get honey faster? Cause I get honey super slow. It takes me a long while to get honey. To get 1 billion, it probably will take me like not even a whole day, I think. Longer than that. But it's because I don't got time to grind so much. Because do you know how every pro gets so many mythics? Because I've seen on YouTube when they get mythical bees off royal jellies, but on royal jellies, look like, wait, do I even have one? Let me see if I have. Yeah, it only says rare, epic, or legendary. So, guys, if you have a clue, just say to me. So, wait. What should we go? Should go kill King Beetle. Cause I probably. Oh shit. I wonder. King Beetle is kind of stupid though. Like, not to be mean. Oh, 3 magic beans. Guys, should I use my 3 magic beans? I think I should probably. Like, I don't care if I need to like save them. Oh, wait, I do need to. Okay. But today I think I will be grinding for let me see here. I don't know if I want to do that quest, so I will probably go grind. Wait, let's see, I need to grind. Yeah. I really need to grind the Spirit Pierce quest. And if I hope she doesn't just yap too much. And I don't know what I was about to say, so I might just shut this. Okay, guys. So I kinda will show the footage of my gameplay. You can skip if you want to, cause I don't know kinda how to like skip the videos, cause I don't know. I'm not experienced on YouTube videos. I gotta probably ask my friend. Come on! Yes, I did that. Wait a minute. Oh, good. I should probably go the pineapple first. I don't know why, but I will just do pineapple. I'm just this. I think this will take a while. I don't know. I'm not sure. But I still wonder how every pro like gets so much mythicals. Cause I really need the mythical. But every, every time I search it up, like how to get mythical eggs easy, it's always commando chicken. But I don't know how, cause my luck is trash. I don't got that good luck. And by the way, sorry for the lag, guys, cause this laptop is kinda older. And it's maybe because I'm recording. Wait guys, I will be right back. Wait, I will come back. Okay, should I ask my girlfriend if she wants to play sometimes? Should I? That would probably be a fun time, maybe. So yeah, it's your choice, guys. So I don't know. You can choose. I just wonder, like, I'm kind of asking the content because you guys maybe like more than me. Oh my god, my English sucks. Like it's trash. It's trash. Like I swear to God. Wait, did I play Splinter? No, I didn't. Guys, I should probably macro the whole night. I kinda will do that to grind the quest. Cause oh, hello. Bye bye. Haha, you died. I should save up for candy plant. I don't have it yet. Yeah. So I'm new. I'm super early mid game. I don't grind this game that much because it's way too much grind and it feels like I'm just wasting my time. Oh, the lag. Yeah, my lag is way too bad. Oh, I think I probably gotta go find a private server on Discord. Sometimes I try to join the others, but they said it wasn't their private, like the Discord server that I made it. And it's like random people, so I joined them. Yeah, many of them didn't have permission like I joined, so yeah. One thing I kinda hate is that it's always requiring just to join a run, like 17 plus levels. So how the do you think I'm supposed to get that? Because I need mushrooms. I don't know kind of what to say, guys. But recommend me something that I can play, like something to play, like a game or something. Because I don't have ideas what to play. I don't know if I can upload this because it's kind of more than 8 minutes, but I gotta see how to upload this, but I probably can upload this. And guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. It feels like no one is going to enjoy this video, only because my graphics is bad at. Yeah, I was about to swear because I kinda hate the lag. But I think it is because of my Wi-Fi. Because I never lag this hard, usually. I should probably try to do it when I'm with my dad sometimes when I'm there. I should probably try to do a video. But now I know, so it will be easy to do a video now. Wait, my friend joined me. Guys, I think I will end this video. Well, I probably will do a part 2. Bye, guys!